Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications. On the application of Calm, you will go to Settings. In this page, you will go to Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, you will search about Calm app and you can click. Here in this page of App Info, you will click on First Stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. But pay attention, don't click Clear Data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.